Hi, it's Chris. A little while ago, we did a video on using duct tape to repair a severed hose. And while it didn't work very well, we had a lot of comments coming in saying we should have been using flex tape. So let's see if flex tape can fix this hose. So the first thing we're going to do is sever this hose. So that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to cut a strip wide enough to go around the hose and seal it together. Well, we've got the flex tape on it. It's wrapped tight, seems to be sealed on either end. Let's give it a try. Okay, so we turned the water pressure onto it, and sure enough, it leaks. So first attempt didn't work quite so well. So give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it's the way I wrapped the flex tape on the hose. So we're going to give it another try. And no, I'm not worried about cutting the hose. So far it might not stop a leak, but it sure is tough. Well, that's off. Let's see if we can do a different way of wrapping and see how that works. So I just want to have it so it comes around and pretty much just a little bit more than meeting, not having that big overlap and double fold that I had before. So we're going to cut it right there. Peel the backing off. Okay, so there we're joined up. Let's wrap her up. Now that might do it. It's a little close. I'm going to put another wrap on so that I got this seam sealed as well. There we go. We got 2 wraps on it. All seams are covered. All ends are sealed. Let's give it a go. Okay, let's give it the full pressure. I think we got a leak. So we had a significant leak. The flex tape unfortunately didn't do the job. I was kind of disappointed. I was pretty optimistic. And I'm sure if I'm disappointed, so are all the other people that suggested that we use flex tape for this repair. Unfortunately, it didn't work. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.